Yo guys, Joe, welcome back to another video. So I'm showing you guys how you can make fully custom skins in Fortnite. So I have made a video on this before that some of you may have seen, but there's a lot of new people on the channel, so I thought I'd make a new video on it. So Epic did patch it about 10 months ago, which was a long time now. I think it's coming up like near a year, to be honest. And I mean, my channel was doing okay back then, but I thought I'm going to make a new video today so you guys know how to do it, as there's a lot of new people in the Discord server and on my channel as well. So what you're going to need to do this is HXD, Fortnite, Photoshop, UModel, and this page that gives you the AES key. So I'm going to get straight into the tutorial. If you are new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe, because I do post a lot of content like this around skin swappers, modding itself, and just stuff like that in general, to be honest. I'm also going to be covering leaks on my Twitter, so make sure you do go follow my Twitter for the updates and stuff like that. I'm going to be posting news and stuff on there. And apart from that, guys, I hope you do enjoy today's video. Okay guys, first thing you want to do is open up umodel.exe. Now what you want to do is either put this on your desktop or put it in the pack files, and then what you want to do is where it says path to game files, click here and set it to your path. So mine is in Fortnite game, content, scroll down. You wouldn't have all of this, I only have this because I did something else, and it's going to be called pack, so click OK. Now you've done that, you want to click override game detection, click down, Unreal Engine 4, click here, and then do 4.23 and click OK. So now you've done that, you'll be brought here. It's going to say umodel is found, unencrypted, blah blah blah, or encrypted. Now what you want to do is open up this page here. There will also be a link to this. And on this page, it's going to show you all the AES keys for Fortnite. So as you can see here, this is the current AES key. You want to copy this here, Control C, and now paste it in this little box. Click OK, and now it's going to bring through this. Just wait for this. Okay, now that is done, it's going to bring up this. And from here, it's kind of using your creativity. So depending what skin you have and want to use, you want to come down to characters. I'm going to bring this a bit bigger so you can see. Go to player, male, medium, and bodies. Now you can do these for the female skins as well. I'm going to just pick a male skin for today. And now you have every single skin in Fortnite pretty much on the male side. So let's look for a skin that I want to use. Okay. I'll find a skin, I'll be back if you want to find it. Okay guys, I changed my mind on the male skin, so I'm going to go through here, go back to player, sorry, then go into female, medium, bodies, and now I'm just going to go to the D area, and now, what skin could we use? Okay, so here we have the burger PJs, so this is the onesie. Now, if we go to meshes, don't open these, I'm pretty sure they will crash your UModel. So what you want to do is go down to textures, and you're going to have a bunch of textures, so don't worry about this. Now, the way this works is you got hat_D, which is the main texture, and the rest of these are for lighting, and then you also have body_D, which is the same as what I said for the hat. So once you open that, you're going to have this. Now, what you want to do from here is, depending if you want both, which I imagine you would, as you can see this is on the hat, you want to go down here, make sure you're highlighting it, you want to click export, tools, save select the package. Also do the same with hat_D, export, tools, save select the packages. Okay, once you're done that, you're pretty much done here, so you can close this, and close this. And now you can move on to the next step. Okay guys, now the next thing you want to do is open up Photoshop, so I've just linked my shortcut. This will take a while to open, so just want to wait a minute. Okay, so now Photoshop's open, so you want to quickly close out of it, not properly, but just close it like this. Now you want to go into your Fortnite again. I've put mine to my shortcuts. You want to go to Fortnite game, content, and then go to packs. Like I said, all of this is, don't worry about any of this, it's pretty much pointless. I have it because I did something else. Now you want to open up packs, and now you're going to have two new files. You're going to have umodel export and umodel saved. Now you want to go to export, game, now wherever yours is installed, so mine's in characters, player, female, medium, bodies, durable PJs, and textures. As you see, I have my two things here. Now these are TGA files, but it does not matter. So all you want to do is go back to Photoshop, make this a little bit smaller. Now I'm going to copy the directory. I'm going to go to file, open, put in a directory here, if it lets me. Right, never mind, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go to the same spot, so this PC, then I'm going to go to E, I'll let it load. My E drive is pretty full, to be honest. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the top, type in Fortnite game, content, packs, and now like I said as well, don't worry about any of this. This is only here because when I extracted my project, so for the XDX swapper, it's here. So now what I'm going to do is go into export, game, characters, and the same place as I went before. So now, these two TGA files, first I'm going to do the body. So I'm going to open up the body, and and now I have this. So I can make any changes to this to what I want. So as you can see, this is the burger, how the skin looks. So I'm not going to do too many changes. If you want, like I said, you can put text over it. You can just do whatever you want to this. One thing I do think I like though is if you come down to here, click this little circle, go to saturation. Now you can change this and it kind of changes the color of the skin, as you can see. So you can make it like this if you really wanted to. And so let's just make, I'm not going to make it look, I mean, hold on, let's put this here. And let's set the color about here. Now this is going to look really weird, but we're going to do it anyway. So now we've done that, you want to go to File, Save As a PNG, and just name it something you remember. So PJ underscore body. I meant to put body, not body. Alright, save. Okay. Okay, now you've done that, you want to go to File, Open, and now open up the hat. So this one's the body, this one's the hat. So you want to open this up, and now we have the hat. I'm going to do a similar style, so go here again, you go to saturation, and set this over this way a bit, so it's the purplish. About here, that's fine. Now I'm going to do the same thing, File, Save As, PNG, and I'm going to name this one PJ underscore hat. Save. Okay, now you've done that, we're going to click OK, and close both of these. Click no, and no. So now you have your two PNGs for your character. Now what you want to do is you want to go to your Epic Games Launcher, you want to go to Unreal Engine, go to Library, and now you're going to want to open up your Unreal Engine. So I'm going to use 4.21.2. If you have the newest one installed, you can use that. So I'm going to click Launch. Now wait for this to load up. This will take a while, so I'll be back with you once I'm there. Okay guys, now it's open. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, so I'm going to drag here. Okay, it's still loading in a second, just want to wait a little bit longer. Okay, we're going to open up the folder. No, textures. So now we have these two textures. What we're going to be doing with the textures is cooking them so they become U-bolts and then replacing them with the other ones in HXD. So I'm going to show you how you do that now. I'm going to drag these two in. Now you can see finding assets. Okay, now it's loaded. You want to drag these two in. And now you'll see you have these. Now what you want to do is click Save All right here. And click Save Selected. I'm going to save them. Now go to File, and then you're going to see something saying Cook Content for Windows. So you want to click that, and it's going to start cooking the content. Now this shouldn't take too long, but you do want to wait for this as well, as it is cooking all of the files that are in the game. Well, Unreal Engine, I've said that twice now, sorry. So now we just want to wait for this. Okay, guys, now the cooking is done, what you want to do is close down your Unreal Engine, and now you want to go to where your projects are created. So mine are in Documents, and I'm going to go to Unreal Projects, and now as you can see, it's going to be this one here. You want to go to Content. You want to go to Saved, Cooked, Windows No Editor, My Project 2, and then Content. Now as you can see, we have PJ Body and PJ Hat. These are the two things that we did make, so we have two more U-bolts. Now we want to drag the two U-bolts onto our desktop like this, and now we can just line them up. They're pretty much lined. Okay, now what we want to do is go back to E Drive, or wherever your Fortnite's installed, go to Fortnite, Fortnite again, Fortnite Game, Content, go to Packs again, and now you're going to have another one as well called U-Model Saved. Now you want to go to the same place where the character was. And we're going to have a few more files in here than last time. So we're going to have the PS Body U-Bolt and the Hat U-Bolt. So these are the original files that Fortnite used. So we're going to drag them onto our desktop as well. And I'm going to line them up. So this one's the body, so I'll put it above body. This one's the hat, I'll put it above the hat. Okay, so now we've done that, we can just close out of this. Okay, so once you've dragged them to your desktop, you want to open up HXD, which is a hex editor, which is pretty much how Fortnite compresses. You want to go to File, Open, and then open up Patchunk 10 S1. Now you want to drag the body and the other one in, and now you can see you have body underscore D and then PJ body. So you want to drag from 6.1 and drag the first 5 lines of it like this and do Control C. Now go to the pack, click Control F, go to hex values, search direction to all, and I'll paste it in and click OK. Now it's going to search the pack for that one thing that we looked for. Now if it's not in S1, I'm going to show you what you guys are going to do. Now this will take a while, so I'll quickly speed this part up. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is not in this one, so I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to right click this and click Close, File, Open, and now I'm going to look through S2. So I'm going to drag back here, right click, copy, and I'll paste it in here. Now we're going to do this for every pack until we find it. Now I know this is annoying, but trust me, the outcome is good. So now we're going to wait for this and let it search again. Okay, so as you guys can see, it has found it now. So this is where the body is located. So what we want to do is click just before the first thing. So for me it's A, right here. You want to go back to the body, click Control and A so it selects all of it. Then click Control E and you want to select that as deck. Now as you can see here you have a long number, you want to just do copy on that number. Go back to the pack chunk. Now once you're before A, click Control and then E, so it's going to bring this up. And where it says length, set it to deck as well. And now paste it in like this, the number that we copied. Click OK, and what it's going to do is it's going to select the whole U-bolt. So this is everything we need. Now we're going to go to PJ_body, do Control A, Control C, and now paste it in here. So do Control V. Now as you can see it has swapped. So if this does not work for you guys, make sure you do go back and watch the video slowly, because I know this is kind of confusing for some of you guys that have just started off, but some of you guys should be able to understand this. So now what we're going to do is do Control S, it's going to save. You don't need to create a backup, so I'm just going to click cancel and yes. And then we're going to scroll back to the top. We're going to go to here, we're going to do right click and close, and now drag in the hat and the other hat. Here we go. Now we're going to do the same as we did for the body. Drag from here, and to go down to about 5 lines. Go back to S2, and now search for this in the hex values and click OK. Now this should take the same amount of time, it might be a bit shorter, it's looking again. As you can see we have found it. Now mine is before the dot again, so I'm going to click here. Go back to this one, Control A, Control C. Come back here. Oh wait, sorry, no, we need to do Control E. Go to deck, grab this one here, do Control C. Go back here. Now if you click just before wherever the first one is that we did before, Control E, set this one to deck, and I'll paste it in here and click OK. So now I've selected all of it. This is where we go to PJ_hat, do Control A, Control C, and I'll paste it in the pack. So now you're pretty much done. You can close down these two and save your file again like this. I'm going to cancel the backup and click yes. Close down this, and now we can open up Fortnite and see what we did. Guys, so now your game is loaded up, you want to go to your locker. I want to say as well, thank you for Force Mods again for letting me borrow his account. He's a good friend, he always lets me use this, so yeah, big shout out to him. Now what I'm going to do is go to the locker, go to skins, and I'll go down to the onesie skin. So I'm going to look for it quickly. I'm pretty sure it's at the top, as it's favorited. Scroll down a little bit, here it is. So you guys can see, the skin is now changed, it is purple. I mean, I don't know why I went for this colour. I mean, I think it looks quite cool, because like, I don't know, it's a nice looking skin. I would definitely copy it if it was an item shop skin, even though it's really simple. But this is just a really basic thing you guys can do. Like, trust me, you might have saw some of my old videos, stuff that I used to make, and I mean, this is just the basic start of it. Now, I'm only doing this because you guys can learn from the basics and go into making some really cool stuff for concept skins. I mean, just honestly, knock yourselves out with this stuff. There is so much cool stuff you can do with it, and it just opens up the community for showing them concept skins and stuff like that. Now, like I said, these will not work in game, but they're pretty cool still. It's nice with all the emotes and stuff. And also, I do want to say, I'm going to be making another video tomorrow on the custom glow. So some of you guys may know, if I go to a skin like, okay, what skin has a glow? This one here, right? As you can see, if I remove the armor from it, it has the eyes glowing, around here glowing. And now tomorrow I'll be showing you how you can like put your logo in this glow. Same with the DJ Yonder, it has the glow around it. I think it's a really cool thing as well, because you can just completely make the whole skin glow. I don't know why you're going to do that. I know why some of you would, but yeah, that's what tomorrow's video is going to be. And if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a like and subscribe, because it does help me out. And apart from that, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.